There goes Donna. Milton. Mikey. Oh, Belinda. Hi, Belinda. Oh, Donna and Diana. Deidre. There we go. Oh, there's Belinda. She's going to get Donna. Get him. What are those babies doing, huh? Oh, goodness. What they doing? They're so excited. They run around. It's been raining all day. It's been raining all day. We could be outside. That's right. We couldn't be outside today. And now it stopped raining. We outside. We happy. We happy. We happy, huh? Yes, we are. Somebody's gonna go poo-poos. Somebody looking for a poo-poo spot. Oh, there it goes. Gotta go poo-poos. And our friends have to come see the poo-poo. Because that's what happens when you're bulldogs. Everybody has to have a party when we poo-poo. Yes. That's right. And Philip came to visit today and he didn't get to see us because it was raining, huh? Say, Philip, we're here. We all here now. We're ready to see you and you have to go home. That's okay. I'm still. We're still here. There's Mars. She's our rat terrier. She's not for sale. Unless, really, somebody has $1.50. In which case I'll sell her. Just kidding. It's my roommate's dog. There's the baby. There's the babies. There they are.